Hi guys, this is Shannon from the DietDoc San Francisco, and I know how everyone loves to have snack ideas, so here's a really easy snack idea, good for a snack, also for breakfast. These are overnight oats, and I'm sure most of you have heard of them, but if not, this is a really awesome way to have an easy breakfast or to have an easy snack for the next day. So this is what we're gonna need. You're gonna need half a scoop of oatmeal, so just rolled oats. Just about a half a scoop goes right in the container. We're going to use a spoonful of Greek yogurt. I like to get the 2% Greek yogurt because it has lower sugar than non-fat and lower fat than full fat. So this is for one serving. I'm just going to do about a scoop. It's probably around 2 tablespoons. And I just put it right in by itself. And then I'm going to add vanilla protein powder, and this will do 2 things for me. It'll add additional protein to the snack, as well as sweeten it naturally and get a little vanilla flavor. So I'm going to use half a scoop. Half a scoop will give me the amount of protein I'm looking for because there is already protein from the yogurt, the Greek yogurt. Along with that, I'm adding chopped almonds, just a little bit. There's somebody sneaking in the back. And sun-dried raisins. They will plump up nicely with the almond milk I'll put in. And I'm also gonna put in chia seeds. Chia seeds are really awesome for dietary fiber. They also have lots of nutrients in them, and they help you to feel full longer. So right now it looks just like this, and I'm gonna put almond milk in just to cover the top of it. All right, so now all that's left to do is to add a little almond milk, and I add just so it covers all the ingredients. And then I'm gonna stir it up a little bit, and I'll show you what it looks like the next day. So this is a fancier version. I put it in these little glass containers. I love these glass containers. And you can see it's a little green because on this one, I actually mixed in a little bit of this Greens First powder. I love this stuff. This stuff has so many awesome ingredients: green tea, milk thistle, barley grass, broccoli powder. It's like 100 different types of superfoods in this little guy. So I mix it in with the Greek yogurt, and I get just a little extra punch in my overnight oats. So this is a super easy snack for mid-morning or for breakfast or for whenever you want. And I will put the macros for what I put in these guys. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed it and have a great Sunday.